Here we have the current stock market update for SOFI Technologies Incorporated, stock ticker SOFI. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're going to be looking at in this video is the daily price chart, which means that each candle here represents a one full day trading period. And we're going to take a bit of a broader view here because there has been a lot of optimism surrounding this stock previously, but I think that a lot of that optimism would really be tempered or calmed down a bit if we sort of just look at these moves within the broader historical context. So yes, the stock has been moving higher recently. That hasn't been out of line with my expectations necessarily. A lot of people think that I'm bearish on this stock or that I believe that the stock is moving lower. However, what I have said about this stock is not that it's moving lower, it's that it's like watching paint dry, and it's an incredibly boring stock. It's just a social media stock. It's kind of a boring choice. It's kind of a cliche choice. And if we look at the longer term perspective here, these moves, even these recent movements, really aren't very impressive, especially if you compare these price movements to the types of stocks that we trade in the members only section of the channel. Even on this stock's best month, we outperformed this by a wide margin. We could have an average month or a below average month, and we would still outperform this stock's best month by a very wide margin. And if we sort of just go back in history just a little bit here, we can see that the stock is still trading at extremely depressed levels. So these recent upward price movements here, not as impressive when you sort of look at this broader context. For example, this prior price move from 24.65 resulted in an 82.8% drawdown if we look at the extended price move here. And then once that occurred, share prices never really recovered to a significant extent, because as we can see here, the stock itself really just sort of traded at these low levels for a very long period of time. I mean, we're talking about, we sort of enter into this region right around the beginning of March 2022, the first half of March 2022, and we're still roughly trading within that trading range. I mean, if we sort of look at the stock maybe from this perspective here, just sort of a lower trading range here, we can see that the stock is still trading at very depressed valuations, and it's just all it is forming a range at these lower levels. So I understand that there's a lot of optimism around this stock, but this stock is really just a clickbait, kind of cliche, trendy, social media, internet type of stock idea. And we outperform this stock every single month. You could look at this stock's best month and you could choose our worst month, and they still don't even come close, because this stock is like watching paint dry. It's just cliche, and it's something that a lot of people already know about. Anywhere on Reddit, social media, YouTube, looking for stock choices in places like that. So yes, the stock has moved higher, not out of line with my expectations. I've never once really said that the stock was moving lower. I've just said that it's an incredibly boring stock, and it is if you look at it from this perspective. So not only is the stock trading at these lower, subdued, kind of boring levels, we also have to understand that these are significant periods of drawdown here. I mean, anybody that purchased these stocks into these types of price movements when the stock is getting a lot of attention on social media, what has happened to those people? Here we can see a massive 82.8% drawdown. Here we can see another 48.63% drawdown. Even at these lower levels here, we can see examples of a 25.4% drawdown. That's massive. We don't see anything like that in the member section of the channel, not even close. I believe we have one trade now out of 16 that's down by less than 9%. I believe it's down 8.8% right now. One trade out of 16. Okay, so for many people, this is like their largest holding. This is like their highest conviction stock. It's an incredibly boring stock choice. It's a very lazy stock choice. I think that might be even a better way to phrase it, because this is just the type of thing that people just kind of look around on social media a little bit, and then they sort of run into this. They also run into names like GameStop, AMC, Microcloud Hologram, Maxion Solar Technologies, FFIE. A lot of the really lame, boring meme stocks that I tend to cover on this channel. The reason that I cover those stocks is because I'm trying to get those people to consider other choices. There are much better ideas here than simply following what the herd is doing on social media. This is incredibly boring, and it ultimately results in losses for the most part. And we're not even talking about simple financial losses. We're also talking about losses in terms of time. Okay, so anybody that was holding this stock for this entire period of time here, all that you've done here is tread water. Incredibly boring. And there are so many other stocks that could have been invested in during this period of time. So you should think of all investments in that way, not just in terms of the monetary loss, but also in terms of chronology. How much time are you losing? How much time could you have been spent? How much time could you have been spending? Looking for other options that are perhaps a little bit more under the radar, and not so obvious and lazy and things like that. One other point that I'll make before I close out the video here quickly: if we look at this prior price move here, this decline, this massive 82% decline, let's take a look at what this currently looks like at the moment. So if we sort of extend this out through time here, looking at these lows, if we just do a massive Fibonacci study of this entire price movement here, as we can see at the moment, all the stock has done here is break through the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of this entire trending move. So what does that mean exactly? If you look at this entire decline here, all that the stock has done over this entire period of time is retrace roughly a third of all of those losses. So you've only gotten back a third of all of those losses. And this goes all the way back to the end of 2021, really November 2021. So during all that period of time, if you had invested in this stock at that point, you would only have recovered a third of your losses for this entire period of time, and you would have lost 3 years of your life as well. Okay, that's a lot, right? That's not nothing, right? If you take a look at the members only section, we completely demolished this stock, even during these recent trading moves here, which are really not so impressive. If you look at the broader context here, it's just this. Okay, it's really not, this isn't this earth-shattering move that the SOFI cult members seem to think it is. It's a very small move in the broader context. Okay, and when I say things like that, people think that what I'm saying is that I'm claiming that the stock is going to be moving lower. That's not true at all. Those two things have nothing to do with one another. Calling this a boring stock is not the same thing as saying that the stock is moving lower. Very simple language here, but a lot of people don't seem to get it. Here's the current market outlook for SOFI Technologies, stock ticker SOFI. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.